Hello everyone, it's just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this LEVOIT Core Mini Air Purifier. So the first thing we got to do is we got to open it up on the bottom. Rotate this. This is where the HEPA filter is and the power cord. And we got to take this plastic off this HEPA filter first thing. So let's get that off. Now I'm going to explain the HEPA filter a little bit. This is called the pre-filter. There's like a screen. You have to clean that about every 2 or 3 weeks. You just vacuum that off. You'll have to replace this whole air filter about every 6 months. Looks like there's some activated carbon in there. Okay, so we can put it in either way. You're simply just going to put it in, take the top. Here is the fan. Rotate it and it kind of clicks. Up top, we got another piece of tape. There is a really clear piece of tape on here. It's a little tricky to get off. There. We do have an aroma pad. Press this, this comes out. You can put some essential oils right there. Press it again, it stays in. Let's plug the power cord in. It says it's 7 watts of power, 12 volts, 1 amp. Okay, so the power cord is 6 feet long. We got to plug it in. It says we can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, 0.4 amps is what it uses. Okay, let's plug it in right back here. And now we're going to turn it on. Simply press the power button. And you're going to press the power button to cycle through the 3 fan speeds. So that light is lit up. Then the second one, that's the second fan speed. And then there's high. Now those LEDs will go out after about 60 seconds, but the fan will still work. The lights turn themselves off. And as soon as you touch it, they turn back on. There's our filter light to let you know when it's time to change the filter. And again, I can go back, that's off. So low, medium, high, and off. Let's go back to low. Yeah, low is really quiet. I can hear it. It's gonna draw air in here and then the air comes out the top. Very simple. This is meant to put beside your bed or a very small room or beside your computer desk or something. It's not meant for whole house purification. It does have a HEPA filter in it, but there is no automatic mode, no auto off, no auto on or anything like that. It's going to stay on as long as you keep it on. And whatever speed, that's what fan speed it'll stay at until you turn it off. 10.5 inches tall, and it's a circle, and it's roughly 6 1/4 inch circle. Very lightweight, very small. Power cord is 6 feet long. Yeah, this is a really nice air purifier. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.